Okay, Dhanlakshma, please wait. Okay, guys, listen carefully. A can do a piece of work in 15 days, B can do in 20 days, C can do in 30 days. What is the LCM? LCM is 60. 15 4s are 23s are 32s are. So you are left with 4 3 7 2 9. So total work is 9. Now listen my words. According to question, A, B, C all together start the work, but after 4 days A left the work. Okay, A, B, C together start the work, but after 4 days A left the work. Okay, so A left the work after 4 days. That means up to 4 days they all worked together. Okay, and after next 2 days B also left the work. Okay, after next 2 days B also left the work, so C left and C completed the rest work. We need to find out the total work taken by them. Okay guys, listen carefully now. Yes Madhav, and that is why class is important na. Okay, listen, ABC have done 4 days work and ABC can do 9 unit work in a day, so 9 4s are 36. B and C can do 5 unit work in a day. That means B and C in 2 days can do 10 unit work. So total work completed is 46, right? 46. So remaining work is 14, and this is to be done by C alone. C can do 2 unit work in a day, then 14 unit can be done by C in 7 days. So this is 7 days, 2 days and 4 days. Total number of days are 13 days is the right answer. This is the right answer. 13 days is the right answer. So how many of you have come have given this answer? 13 days. This is understood or not? I'm so much happy. Guys, listen. A, B, C, 72, 120, 90. LCM is 360, 5, 3, 4. That is 12. Now guys, listen carefully. They all together start the work, but after 5 days A left the work. Oh, they all together start the work. Listen, they all together start the work, but after 5 days they left the work. A left the work. So remaining are B and C, and next 20 days B also left the work. Okay, next 20 days B also left the work, so remaining person is C. C can do the remaining work. Guys, listen. So ABC are working 5 days. They can do 12 unit work in a day. That means in 5 days they can do 60 unit work. B and C can do 7 unit work in a day. Then in 20 days they can do 140 work. Total work completed is 200. So remaining work is 160, and this is to be done by C alone, and C can do 4 unit work in a day. That means 160 can be done by C in just 40 days. Okay, so this is 40 days, 20 days and 5 days. Total number of days are 65 days. So this is the answer. And don't worry guys, don't worry, you understood 100%. Don't worry. I'm taking another example.